to all my subscribers, followers, and everybody else who follows me. So, sorry if there's any weird noise, and sorry about my hair. Yeah, I just got out of school, so basically, and I played tag. So, that's why my hair is really bad right now. But, today we're going to pack for Great Wolf Lodge. So, what do you say? Let's go get packing. Since I can't leave without my Great Wolf Lodge years from the past, I'm going to bring those. I also cannot leave without my bathing suit because I spend most of the time in either the pool or Magic Quest. Or now I'm going to do Shadow Quest this time, but yeah. And I'll probably do like a tips or tricks on Shadow Quest and Magic Quest because I know a few of those. But yeah, so I'm taking myself to not leave without my costume because it's Halloween time or my pajamas. I'll probably be reusing them since I don't really need many because I'm only going to be there 2 nights. But basically you need pajamas because, and you might want to bring more stylish ones, not boring ones, because they have story time there. I've gone there 4 times before, so this will be my 5th. So yeah, I will show you story time when we get there tomorrow. So yeah, some toiletries I suggest you bring are a face mask, a reading lamp that clips onto a book, and unless you don't feel comfortable, Charmin, like, you know those paper things you put on the toilet seats, but they're paper. So if you don't feel comfortable with their stuff, even though it's very clean. A game maybe, luggage lock, earbuds for adults and children, and baby power. And face mask again. Oh, and by the way, here's my little kitty cat. But, yeah, sorry she's in the way. So, yeah, those are really good. Another idea is maybe you bring a stuffed animal, 2, or maybe even 3. Because I know I'm not comfortable when I'm away from home, and it might make you feel way more comfortable. I don't use one usually when I'm at home, but when I'm far from home, I usually do it. So, yeah, you should probably bring one. Something I cannot miss bringing is my Samsung tablet. So, if you saw the tablet in my last video, my computer, in one of my previous videos, you will see, well, my mom changed jobs and she needs that computer now. So, she gave me a Samsung tablet for it. So, I keep an Apple iPad and a Samsung tablet, as you can see. And it's way better. Both tablets are way better. They're more portable and they have a little more power and energy than computers. So, they're way better. So, yeah, I'm very happy with them. So, yeah, that's it. Oh, wait, I forgot one thing. This is my Magi wand. It says Magic Quest, and I think it works for Shadow Quest too. The only thing that doesn't work is Compass Quest. Yeah, you have to have a compass for that. But it's way cheaper. So, if you or an adult wants to do something that's cheap but fun, do the Compass Quest, because the Magi ones cost like $20. So, yeah, do not do that. But it's still super fun either way you do it. And I hope this works for Shadow Quest because you all have to try a different wand, and yeah. But if you're coming back from a trip, and you're going back to the lodge, and you do want to do Magic Quest, you have to pay for it to be reactivated. And I'll show you my suitcase right now. Here is my stuff. So you can see everything sort of piled in there. If you can see way in the back, there's my tablet under my Elsa doll. And then here are a bunch of clothing and like my face mask and like toilet seat covers. I figured out they were Charmin toilet seat covers. Yeah. Sorry, I sort of said it wrong. But, so yeah, this is how, here's my luggage lock. But here's get it in the morning, and then go to Great Wolf Lodge. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Well, I don't know why I did that, but it is going to be fun. I know that. So, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and have a good time at Great Wolf Lodge if you're watching this.
Bye.